Goshing's career aspiration is to be a fashion designer. Goshing's hobbies and interests are singing, Hmong dancing, taking pictures, modeling, fashion design, helping family, and volunteering in the Hmong community. Goshing's extracurriculars is she is a member of Hmong American Women Association's youth program called Say MKE. Thọ Ua Châu cho nhỏ sponsors what Thang Goshing Toshi Tu Hyung Na, Mo Su Lee, Vic Moore of Vic Moore Photography, Nikki Hyung of MT Beauty Nails, Kula Ya of Kula Photography, Nuhi Designs, Pierre May Beauty, Thao Photography, Mr. Hmong National Otianingo All, Ying Pavu, Miss Hmong Sheboygan 2022 First Runner-Up, Gong Zong Hyung, Miss Hmong Wisconsin Teen 2020 Nuki Hyung, Miss Hmong Wisconsin 2019 Second Runner-Up, Pa Ho Cha, Mr. Hmong University's 2018 Nu Jing Foreman Hyung, Chad and Connie, Ging Da He, Anna Her, Shing Lee, Meng Lee, Surprise Vang, Molly Vang, Bao Bai Vu, Kong Vu, and Gao Zhong Yang.
Goshing, what makes a person influential? Yadachi, Teli Otoi to Tinen, Mohuchi. Kuyununka Ijonzi, what makes a person influential? Yadachi, Teli Otoi to Tinen, Mohuchi.
Can you repeat your question one more time?
Kuyununka Ijonzi, what makes a person influential? Yadachi, Teli Otoi to Tinen, Mohuchi.
Ở bữa sáng mà có yêu chủ lúc có tụi kinh vì hai tia giờ có chỉ lúc có tụi kinh chúng mình tự sẽ tạo có thế nên trong hai tia cho cái lúc có tụi kinh rồi ba cái mẫu ấy tôi hình dung thế nên mẫu chỉ đâu là tụi thế ở trong